Rugged smartphones are getting crazier every year, and today we've got two very different options from Blackview. On one side, there's the Blackview Rock 5, clearly built for people who want insane battery life and a phone that feels almost indestructible. And on the other side, the Blackview Fort 5, which tries to balance durability with a much more comfortable everyday experience. So here's the big question. Is it worth carrying a phone that weighs over 600 grams just to get massive battery life and louder speakers, or is a lighter and more practical device the smarter choice? Because the differences here go way beyond the spec sheet. I had to choose one, honestly, I think the Fort 5 is the more balanced option. Sure, the Rock 5 is impressive with its massive battery, powerful speakers, and sharper display, but you also have to accept the huge weight and bulky side. The Fort 5, on the other hand, still gives you durability, solid performance, and decent cameras, while being far more practical for everyday use. At the end of the day, the right choice really depends on the kind of user you are. If you work outdoors, go on long trips, need extreme battery life, or simply want an insanely rugged phone, the Blackview Rock 5 makes a lot of sense. It feels more like a work tool than a regular smartphone.